To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. When I was a kid, no one told me the importance of earning my own money, and as I grew older, it became a problem to manage money. While kids my age were gaining entrepreneurial skills, I was not, because I always expected others to earn money for me. Fortunately, I learned the right life skills before it was too late, but it took a lot of unlearning and relearning of money sense. Kids need to learn the essential life skill of money management and be accountable for their own money before they become adults. When they learn these skills early enough, it sets them up for success later in life. The obvious way to get this done is allowing them to earn money early on. In the process, they will learn losses and profits, money management, and building wealth. If you want your kids to have the right financial education, which they will not get in schools, they have to start earning their own money. Earning money as a kid could be hard, since the things they can do are limited by their age. However, with these 6 money-making ideas, they can start earning their own money now. Here are 6 money-making ideas if you are a kid. 1. Yard care. You can do yard care for the neighbors by mowing their lawns in the summer, raking leaves in the fall, and shoveling snow during winter. This should only be done if you are old enough to hold a mower, rake, or shovel. Learn to charge your fee according to the size of the yard. This way, you'll learn the value of things and how a business works. 2. Garage sale. For a couple times a year, you and your parents could run a garage sale of unused toys, clothes, and other items. Not only will it help to declutter your bedroom, it will also earn you some money. You could even make it a party and invite your friends and neighbors. 3. Pet care. You can walk dogs, feed other pets, and clean kitty litter trays for a fee. Start by helping your neighbors or friends if they have family pets. 4. Babysit smaller children. Older kids can make money from babysitting younger children in the neighborhood. This would teach them about caring skills and being responsible. 5. Selling things. Another thing you could do to make money is from selling things like candies, cookies, and sweets. You could sell on the bus or go with your parents to sell door to door. 6. Start a YouTube channel. The cool kids are on social media, and you could make good use of social media to make some money by creating a YouTube channel to upload fun things that people will enjoy watching. With enough views, you can earn some money on the side. What ways have you and your kids learned to make money? Share them with us in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.